Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can watch any sport channel on your Amazon Fire Stick device. So this is very simple and easy video for every Fire Stick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end and that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds, and here as you can see settings option, then open. Now here find my FireTV option. Once you have find my FireTV option, then click on developer option. Scroll down apps from unknown source and press select button on remote. A message will appear on your screen. Now select turn on. So the apps from unknown source has been enabled. Go back home screen by pressing remote home button. Now here what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu. Now type here downloader. Once you have typed DOW, then suggestion below downloader, then click and search. Now here open orange color downloader app. Then click on download button. After downloading downloader, then click on open button. Permission allow. After opening downloader, and here as you can see the search box, then click on. Now type here link firesticklab.com/live net TV. Now click on install button. Live Net TV has been installed on our Firestick Amazon device. So after Live TV installed, then click on done button, and here as you can see APK file, then delete. Now press remote home button, and here again remote home button, press for 3 seconds and click on apps. Now here as you can see all installed application on Amazon Fire Stick device. So you need to open Live Net TV. And here as you can see all sports channels on Amazon Fire Stick device. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button.